Welcome back to my channel. Mag-snack tayo guys ng sweet corn while watching Shen Piano Salon. This time, yung paborito kong kanta kay Barry Banilo na kinakover ni Ma'am Shen. Ito siya. Yung Pande. Yun ang tingnan ko. Yan. So, before that, play muna tayo ng ating subscriber, si Shipit. Yan, si Shipit. Play tayo ng isang video. Shipit Dice pala siya. Yan. Ito yung video ni Shipit Dice. Okay. Okay, mata tayo. Let's eat sweet corn. Luto ng wifey ko. I would like to thank Ma'am Shen for the super thanks. Yeah. Yan. She give me 10,000 won. This is a big help to my channel. Thank you very much, Ma'am Shen. We're always there to support my channel. God bless always, ma'am. Okay. Just pitch it out. This is the beginning of the video of Ma'am Shen, Barry Manilo. Monday. I would like also to shout out Ma'am Pink 96 Lover, Living After 50s. They're my member, and Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah, also Drawn from Life. Yan. And Honey Pie from Hong Kong, Fish 1999, and Happy Home, si Ma'am Happy Home sa Switzerland. Yan. So, shout out tayo ngayon while watching and eating sweet corn. Shout out tayo sa mga subscriber natin or YouTuber na nagpapalo sa atin. YouTube friend. Sarap ng sweet corn. Okay. Shout out tayo sa ito. Ayan. Ma'am Shen is number 1. Pink Lover, 6. Shout out Pink Lover na section sa Piano Salon. Then Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah, my member, Drawn from Life, and also Living After 50s. Okay, search Living After 50s. Yan. Living After 50s. Okay. Honey Pie, where's Honey Pie? Honey Pie, ayan, shout out. And then Happy Homes. Yeah, Happy Home Beauty, yan. So mayroon new vlog si Ma'am Shin. To, let's promote the new vlog Close to You from Carpenters. Yan, very one. Okay, I would like to share this video Close to You. Okay. I will share it to my Facebook. Awesome. Share to Facebook and then to my channel also, YouTube channel. Okay, let's all watch, guys. Okay, please don't forget to visit and watch the new video of Ma'am Shin. Okay, that's it. Share ko na. Share na din si Ship Hit din. Yung Yummy Foods Ship. Okay, Ship Hit, guys. Okay. Okay, that's it. I already sharing Close to You by Carpenters, the new video of Ma'am Shin. Please don't forget to visit and watch, subscribe her channel. Okay, so Ma'am Fatima is already in the list, commenting the video of Ma'am Shin. Okay, I will comment also awesome music from Carpenters. Yan. Like na tayo diyan, like and share na yan. So yun, thank you very much, ma'am. So watching the greatest love of all, Ma'am Shin. Yan. So don't forget to visit Ma'am Shin channel. Shout out tayo konti, guys, para sa mga subscriber natin or followers. Ito tayo shout out. Okay, so shout out. Yan si Pink Clubber and 6 ating oops, nakita. This is my May earnings 1361. Okay, wish to reach this to $100. Yan, this one is previous month April earnings. This one. Thank you very much to this super thanks sender. I'd like to thank Ma'am Shin, Anipay, John from Life, Ma'am Fatima, Pink, Lover and 6, everyone who did not skip my ads. So next video na lang tayo, guys, mag-shout out sa iba. Yan. Yun ang video ni Ma'am Shin. Nandun pa siya. Greatest love of all.